drive me a check though.
Damn, check it out.
I can't deny her though. They my bestie. She's my bestie. That's my bestie. Your pair of eyes had me paralyzed. Toxic nigga, but you made me to a better guy. Smoke, but with you on forever, ever high. Could watch you all day, girl, like you televised. They think like this nigga, they ain't never lied. I left the bitches alone, I had to pick a side. Look in your eyes, girl, you were hypnotized. Of course, it was your breasts, hips, and them damn thighs. Close my eyes, I'm still mesmerized. Trying to get mad at my bestie, I tried. That's my bestie. My pretty
I heard she's the one, she's got it going on. That's my pretty eyes, baby. Yeah, yeah. She don't take no mess. My bestie is the best. That's my pretty eyes, baby. Yeah, yeah. I heard she's the one, she's got it going on. That's my pretty eyes, baby.
Put your eyes on me. I'm Pretty Iced Tea. Hey, what's up? So we have a verdict in the LORIVALLOWDAYBELL, the DOOMSDAYCULTMOM. So I want to get this started here. Come on. So we're just waiting for them to come to the court. It's a 5-minute delay. They still got to get the family in there. So, but as soon as they walk in and everybody's seated, then we'll get to a verdict. LORIVALLOWDAYBELL is accused of conspiring to commit first-degree murder, on her husband, Charles Vallow, fourth husband, Charles Vallow, in Arizona. She is already convicted of conspiring to murder her 2 children, Tylee and JJ, as well as her 5th husband's wife, Tammy Daybell. So we shall see. We shall see. So we're just waiting on the jury to come back. Sorry, I was in the middle of a lunch, so let me hurry up and finish. All right. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Here we go. The verdict is in. The verdict is in. Woohoo. Just I wonder what she'll get. Guilty, not guilty. They are going to do, if she is found guilty, they are going to continue with aggravating factors to determine whether she gets life without parole or life with parole, which includes victim impact statements, I believe. So we're just waiting on them. It is a 5-minute delay. 5-minute delay. This is playing, right? Yeah, it's playing. So as soon as they bring in the jury and all that great stuff. This is she represented herself. She did not put on a defense. She had some very good questions and not so very good questions. Her best witnesses would have been her brother, who is no longer alive, and Tylee, who is no longer alive. And none of that evidence came in because it was she can't benefit off somebody else's testimony because her reason, because she's the reason while one of them's no longer here. And the other one was just hearsay evidence. They didn't allow it in. So this was an 8-day trial. So yeah. Her next trial for conspiring to commit murder on her niece's ex-husband is at the end of May. So she's got one more trial to go. Why they didn't go with death penalty, I'll never know. But hey, whatever. I know why Idaho didn't, because they violated her speedy trial rights. But here, she chose to represent herself because she didn't want to prolong the thing, even though she's got nowhere to go for life. She wanted a speedy trial, so on both cases. So she's representing herself on both cases. But if you could, please hit the like, share the live, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I'm on the road to 1K. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much. Anytime now. Anytime now. I believe that they are taking a minute so that they can make sure that the next of kin is in the courtroom, which is his sister and her son, because Charles was like a dad to him as well. And he is the only survivor of her children. Hey, Room Shaker. Come on already. I got places to go. Room Shaker, I'm going to throw the book at YouTube for not notifying me. I don't know what's going on. I guess I'm going to have to try the unsub and resub again. Bull crap. God. Yeah. Anytime now. So we're just waiting for people to get in the court, the next of kin. Again, we have a verdict for LORIVALLOWDAYBELL, the Doomsday Cult Mom. I hope she gets found guilty, but you never know. You never know what 12 people are thinking. You never know. Come on. Come on. Do, 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 do. Maybe I should play some like music or whatever. Anytime now, sirs and ma'ams. What is that? That's funny. Yay for you. Very mature. Very mature. Wait, come on, verdict. When I see that little thingy move, I'll stop the music. Come on. Come on, people. Come on. Come on. Come on, verdict. You can't think further. And no. And no. And no. Come on. Come on. Open the door. Open sesame. Come on. Come on, verdict. It's been 19 minutes already. Jeez. Shush, kitty. Come on. You're taking forever. Come on. Come on. Oh, here we go. I heard noises. Hello. Hello. Hey, James. Come on. Open sesame. I heard noise. I wasn't tripping. I heard noise. I heard mother effing noise. I thought I heard noise. I guess I'm tripping. I didn't hear nothing. Could have sworn I heard noise. Okay, there's the judge. Okay, we have the door open. Let's go. Pronto. Pronto, por favor. Gracias. Is she ready for this? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I was just making sure, James. I've been watching Karen Reed all day, so who knows? I may have heard stuff because, like, Nettle or something. Like Nettle heard, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him. Come on, I see the door keep on opening. What are we waiting on? Let's get this party started. Pronto. Oh, I bet you the jury thinks, oh, well, you got a verdict. We can go home now. If it's guilty, no, no, no. You get to stay for aggravation. Aggravating factor on whether she gets life or death, or life without parole. That's okay, James. That's all right. You missed the first day of Karen Reed. Woo! Boy, oh boy. Come on. Jeez. You guys are taking forever. Maybe the family's got to take a little bit of time of getting there. I got to be patient. Come on. Come on. Man, I was playing music and everything. I was trying to, I just want justice for Charles Vallow. Like, I want to see justice for him. He deserves it. I feel it was all concocted. I feel like if the bat if he really grabbed the bat or whatever, I think he was protecting himself. I don't think he would have swung it seeing the gun. I just don't. quite sure he probably threw the bat off to the side after seeing the gun raise up to him. And all this Ned BS. Which Ned was a person that I think, like, they found out who Ned was. Ned was a person that Charles didn't get along with or something. I don't know. Something. But anyway, supposedly he possessed him. But what ifs? I mean, shoot. Whatever you shall say, whatever you shall say. Come on. Man, I don't want to turn this on again and then you freaking... Just justice for the families. That's all I care about. They didn't deserve this. They did not deserve this. Yeah, they came back. We're just waiting on the verdict to come. I mean, for them to come in the courtroom and tell us. How are you, Will? They just haven't came in the courtroom. That's all we're waiting for. There is a verdict. They just haven't came in the courtroom. We're waiting on them to enter stage right, and so you can exit stage left. Enter stage right. Open sesame. Good to hear, Will. Good to hear. Open sesame. Jeez. Lori, could you open your portal so we could get the show on the road? I mean, jeez. Come on, family. Come on, family. Get your booties in there so we could get this verdict. Just under 3 hours they deliberated. Just under 3 hours. It was like 2:58. 2:58. But now they need to get the show on the road. I mean, geez. It only takes forever. They tell you they got a verdict and then they still got to sit there with them guys. Like, I bet you like, oh man, let me out this mofo. Let me out this mofo. Enter stage right. Oh, I see a head. I hope that's a head of a family member. There's another head. Come on. Uno, dos, tres. Open sesame. Sesame. Especially if they gotta freaking go back there and deliberate some more. On the aggravating factors, whether she gets life without parole or life with parole. It don't matter. She's never getting out anyways, unless it's in a box. Doom, 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 doom. Open sesame. Come on, judge. You got to come in and tell them, hey, no emotions. No emotions allowed in the courtroom when the jury comes back and reads the verdict. If you do so, you will be escorted out ASAP. Now bring in the jury. Okay, let's go. Because Lori's got to be sitting in the holding cell at the jail. I mean, at the court. I mean, so she didn't go very far, I don't think. Maybe they did take her back. Who knows? But usually they just wait in a little holding cell. Oh, there goes another head. Any more? Any more? Come on. Holy. I thought they would already been piled in there. But nope. Not in Arizona. Now. Now. Come on. See, I don't know why I even hurry to go live when they just take. Like, this is the worst part ever. No speaker, whatever you speaker. Doom, 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 doom. Come on. Uno, dos, tres. Yeah. Feel free. Feel free, James. Feel free. Come on. Really? 40 minutes already? God, I could just imagine how the family feels. I'd be on pins and needles all day, thinking that they're taking 20 million years. And it's only 3:30 there. They came back just before like 3 o'clock, I believe. Come on. Now. Everybody's going live. With the verdict.
Surprise, we have our guest
Come on. I mean, I get like there's a 5-minute delay, but let's go. Let go. Every now and then I hear the thingy go on. Come on. Why, Judge? Why? Why must you take forever? The prosecution should already be there because she represented herself, so she's the lawyer. Oh, they're probably waiting for her team, her paralegal or whatever, probably, or they're waiting on the family. One of the two. This is just crazy. Well, her paralegal needs to get his butt in there ASAP. Now. This is just crazy. We're always waiting on her team. Always. The judge should have told him, I need you to be here within 30 minutes. I got people that are waiting on this verdict. Oh, shoot. I mean, sometimes they didn't even start the trial on time because they were waiting for her paralegal or her investigator. But she represented herself. She don't need anybody else. Oh, here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Bring in the jury. Wait, get your butt back down there, sir. Hey, camera dude. Hello, camera dude. Turn on the microphones. Let's go. Hurry. You can't tease us like that. You can't do that. Jerk faces. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. There she is. Finally. Jeez Louise.
The parties are present. The jury's not present. We were informed about 45 minutes ago that the jury has reached a verdict. In the event that the verdict is not guilty, this trial will conclude. In the event that there's a guilty verdict, we need to move on to an aggravation phase immediately after the reading of that verdict. I've given the parties proposed aggravating circumstances, instructions, and proposed verdict form. The state and the defense both have a chance to review those.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any additions or corrections from the state?
No, Your Honor.
How about from the defense? The defense did email my staff requesting an additional.
Whoa, what the heck happened? Whoa, what the heck happened? Am I tripping? What happened? Weird. I don't know what happened. It's the feed. It's got to be the feed. Let me check. Let me check. That was so weird.
All right, we'll wait a few more minutes before we take that verdict. Please let me know when.
All right, well,
Well, let me go to.
okay, guys. Nobody say anything, please. Respectful to us all here. If you know the verdict, please just don't say anything in the chat. Okay. Mods, if you don't mind, if someone does. post
Okay,
something,
well, I'm gonna
just keep an eye on it. I know it's probably crazy in here right now for all of us, but
wait
I
on
appreciate
them
you all.
because
Thank you so much.
this is
I was
crazy.
pounding on my chest, bro. Like, I was just so overwhelmed. Kelsey's the sweetest. She's here, and I'm glad that she is. I wanted to do this with her. This is something else, bro. This is anticipation. Like, you can't, for any other thing, I could never imagine feeling like this.
They said 5 minutes, so I don't know. Poor Kobe, Lori's only living child. He's going through it right now. He is going through it right now. My prayers go out to him and his family. That sucks. That just sucks. But yeah. Yep, just in case. 5 minutes, they said. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's get this damn show on the road. Boom. Chakalaka. Let's go. Oh, I'm so impatient when it comes to a verdict. I want to know now. Poor Kobe. I mean, I feel bad for him. Yeah, everybody's streaming it too. I thought I was going to be the one. Oh, I'm lucky one. Just kidding. I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to get there. I really am. I'm going to get my 1,000 here. I am. Especially if it keeps going like it did today. I got 2,000 views on my last upload. That was pretty good. For my last live for Karen Reed. And I got 10 new subscribers. Go me. I'm working. Hey, Daniel. How are you? Come on. You said 5 minutes, lady. Hey, lady, you said 5 minutes. It's now been longer than 5 minutes. Don't you understand? Like, I'm on pins and needles. I'm on pins and needles. Yeah, I'm this way. This, even though, like, I want to go back to the regular way, but this way they push me more. What's up, Hood? We're waiting on the verdict for the wackadoodle, the old wackadoodle. Yeah. Oh, the doodah day. Oh, the doodah day. Come on. Bring in the mother effing jury. I want to know the verdict now. It's my verdict and I need it now. Will you bring me one? Doom, da, doom, doom, doom. Doom, da, doom, doom, doom. If you don't read me the verdict right now, doodah day.
Partner.
Yeah, partner. Come on, man. Will you bring me a cookie? That was rude. Come on, bring the jury. Bring the jury. I'm gonna jump through this freaking computer. They said 5 minutes, but I don't know what. Okay, sir, thank you. They said 5 minutes. Will, but this, after all, this is a court, so it's probably gonna be 20 million. They need to hurry. I'm hoping that it'll be guilty because she's a wackadoodle. I think she conspired with her brother to do all her family in, all the ones that were going against her and her beliefs. Or that were witnesses, basically. And yeah, I also think like they gave her brother something that caused him to die too. Her and Chad were nut jobs. I just want to know how her portal's doing in prison. Does she have a portal? I just want to know. Does she still feel like she can be like Nephi? Anyways. Come on. Well, I hope that they weren't waiting on Kobe because Kobe is on his stream, streaming this. Bring the freaking jury in. Bring it in, bring them in. Bring them in right now. State, you said 5 minutes. Rah! It's already been an hour. Jeez. They could already been deliberating the aggravating factor stuff. Come on. This is crazy. Nothing for them. Nothing for me. I don't know why I looked on me. Let's see what Colby is doing. Nothing for Colby.
Thank you, Kim. I just for
Come! Excuse me, por favor. I really hate it. I really hate waiting. Do I have to put my eyelashes? Please hurry. It's already been an hour, sir. Sirs, ma'am, sirs. They said 5 minutes. They lied. They lied. I'm going to throw a fit. Well, yeah, since I started the stream, since they were notified, yep. It's been an hour. A whole hour. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay? You're not bleeding, are you? Come here, let me see. You're probably going to have a goose egg. Oh, shit. It's more to the right here. Like, I'm not feeling any blood. So I think you're okay.
It's like the second time this month
He might have a little goose egg like right there, but no, you're not. You got to hit it way, way harder than that. I was just seeing if you had blood there, because maybe, you could have been like Alex Cox that claimed freaking self-defense when he got hit in the back. Except for you got hit in the head with the bed. Oops. Kerbonks. Is there somebody outside? What am I hearing? Come on. I could have had a smoke by now, sirs, ma'am, sirs. Sirs, ma'am, sirs. Any freaking time now. This is redonkulous. Redonkulous. Redonkulous.
Kelly G. I love stories behind pet names.
Nope. Oh, there's the door. There's the door. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, back on the record, State of Arizona versus Lori Daybell, CR 2021-001-704. The parties are present. I'm going to have my staff go ahead and line up the jury to wait in the hallway for a minute.
Woo! Here we go, baby. Let me knock everything down. There's next to kin. Get. Come on. Lori looks a little anxious there. She keeps on flipping her pen. She keeps flipping her pen. Oh, here we go. Doom, 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 doom. Why did that person have a whiteboard with pens? That was weird. Okay, anyways. Here we go. Hey, bro. Here we go.
All right, the jury is present. Please be seated. Do we have a foreperson? Who's the foreperson?
Yes,
Has the jury reached a verdict?
yes, we have.
I'm going to ask you to hand that to my courtroom assistant.
It could have been, Will. It could have been. It looked like a whiteboard to me. Maybe it's one of those writables, you know?
I'll ask the clerk to read and record the verdict.
Oh.
In the Superior Court of the State of Arizona and for the County of Maricopa, State of Arizona versus Lori Daybell, CR 2021-001704-001, verdict count 1. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, upon our oaths, do find the defendant, Lori Daybell, as to the crime of count 1, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder occurring on or about July 11, 2019, guilty. Signed, foreperson.
Yes! Yes!
Is this your true verdict? So say you one and all.
Yes.
I knew it.
On the court's own motion, I'll go ahead and ask the clerk to poll the
I
jury.
knew it.
Juror number 1, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 2, is this your true verdict?
She's gonna
Yes.
she's
Juror
gonna
number 6,
try to
is this
cast
your
all
true
your
verdict?
demons out.
Juror number 7, is this
Jury.
your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 8, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 9, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 10, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 11, is this your true verdict?
Let's
Yes.
go.
Juror number 12, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 13, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 15, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 16, is this your true verdict?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to ask the jury to retire to the jury room for just about 2 minutes. I need to discuss something with the parties before we determine whether you're done or not. So the admonition still applies. Please go to the jury room for a few minutes.
All right, to the jury.
Ooh, first degree conspiracy to commit murder. justice for Charles. Okay, come on.
All right, please be seated. The jury is no longer present. I'll ask the defendant, you indicated earlier perhaps a willingness to stipulate to aggravating factors. Is that something you want to do, or do we want to go through this aggravation phase?
I'm willing to stipulate to it, Your Honor. All that it is the dangerous phase. Is that correct? There's only one statute that, there's only one
Yes,
sentence.
yes.
Well, the jury would need to find, first of all, whether or not this is a dangerous offense first. Secondly, whether the offense caused physical, emotional, or financial harm to the victim, or if the victim died as a result of the conduct of the defendant caused emotional or financial harm to the victim's immediate family. And then thirdly, the offense involved the presence of an accomplice. If you're willing to stipulate to all three of those, we can do that. If not, we'll bring the jury back in.
I will stipulate to it, Your Honor.
All right. You understand that if you stipulate to this instead of a jury finding, well, let me back up. You understand the jury would have to find these aggravating factors beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes.
All right. And do you understand that if you stipulate to these factors instead of a jury doing it, I could also find additional aggravating factors at sentencing?
Sure.
Has anyone forced you or threatened you in any way to get you to stipulate to these factors?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything to get you to stipulate to these factors?
No.
Have you had any drugs, alcohol, or medication in the last 24 hours?
No.
Do you agree that pursuant to the jury's verdict of guilt, that this would be a dangerous offense because a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument was used?
I'm stipulating to it.
You agree that this is a dangerous offense?
Correct.
And you're further stipulating that as a result of your conduct, at least the victim or the victim's family suffered emotional or financial harm?
Absolutely.
And you're also further agreeing that the offense involved the presence of an accomplice?
This is shocking.
Yes.
Is the state satisfied with the colloquy?
Yes, Your Honor, it appears it's knowing voluntary.
All right, the court does find that the stipulation to those three factors was knowingly, intelligently, voluntarily made. I will accept the defendant's stipulation. At this time, I'm going to bring in the jury and release them from the admonition. Before we do that, well, as my staff's lining up the jury, do you want to have a sentencing date within approximately 30 days, or do you want to wait until after the next trial to be sentenced on this matter?
What does the court prefer?
It doesn't matter to me. Maybe you want to talk to your attorneys or advisory council about that. We don't have to do it right now.
I am surprised
We can do
she
it in a few minutes.
stipulated to that. I'm surprised she didn't fight tooth and nail. I am so surprised because maybe they wouldn't find her guilty on those aggravating factors. That is just shocking to me. Absolutely shocking. The jury got it right. The jury got it right. Is she conceding? James, I don't know why they insist on talking to you while you're trying to pay attention to something. It happens to me all the time. And I got ADHD, so it's wild. So I'll go squirrel really quick, even if I'm interested in something like, trial watching or whatever. No, because this is only
be
for
seated.
her
The jury is
ex-husband. This
present
is
again.
not for this.
Members
not
of the
for
jury,
her
you are
niece.
now released from the admonition. This
Niece's,
concludes your jury
ex-husband.
service. I want to thank you for your jury service in this matter and
separated
your
the two.
attention in this matter.
Because
The admonition is lifted, meaning you can talk to anyone about any aspect of this case that you want to at this point, but you also have the right to not talk to anyone about any aspect about this case. I just need to take care of a few more matters, but if you want to wait for me in the jury room, I'd like to thank you personally. And then you can be on your way. If you don't want to wait for me, that's fine as well. But you are released to go at this time.
since she is representing herself, they had to separate the two. Otherwise, it would have been together.
All right. Thank you.
All right, for the jury.
I just can't believe she stipulated to it. But she might appeal this one. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if she's finally conceding or what.
All right. Please be seated. Do you want to talk to your advisory councils briefly to discuss whether or not you want to proceed to sentencing or wait until after the next trial?
If we could just wait till after the next trial, Your Honor.
Okay. So I'll hold off on ordering a pre-sentence report until we resolve the next remaining case. I've already set the dates and we have a status conference in mid-May on that. So unless there's anything else from the state's perspective, from anything else from your perspective?
Nope.
All right, we'll be at recess on this matter.
Wow. I can't believe she conceded. I mean, in somewhat of a way, like, I'm glad she did for the family. But that's crazy. Like, I really thought she was going to go full steam ahead. Like, no, I want them to da-da-da-da-da. You know what I mean? But they didn't have to do that. I would have loved to have seen her face. I would have loved to have seen her face. Oh my God, I would have loved to see her face. I bet you her son is probably just going crazy right now. But anyways, thanks for everybody for, watching me freak out while we're waiting on a trial. I mean, waiting on the verdict. She was found guilty. She decided not to freaking go with the aggravation factor hearing. She conceded to it. My prayers go out to her son and his sister and their family. That's what I'm wondering too, James. Like, I'm wondering now, like, but I don't know if it's too late. I don't know if that ship's already sailed, because I know some courts, like, you have a final plea deadline. Once a trial usually is set, they usually, some courts will take the plea, some courts won't. So we shall see. May 17th. But anyways, I just think maybe she's starting to realize, like, the evidence against her is not good. Not good at all. And she tried. Hey, I will give her this. She actually had some good questions. So, I mean, it's whatever. She did have some good questions. But it's hard being if you don't know the law, it's going to be hard to represent yourself. You know what I mean? So, but alrighty, I am out of here because I pulled the double shift today. Anyways, I appreciate everybody that came by, hit the like, shared the live, commented, and subscribed because I'm on the road to 1K and I'm gonna get there. I will be monetized by the end of the year. I'm putting it out there. Anyways, make sure you hit the like on the way out. Thank you very much. And let the ones you love and care about know that you love and care about them, because tomorrow's not promised. And you never know. You could be running into a lorry, you know? So anyways, all right. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Turn me up, AV.
Put your eyes on me, like the spotlight. Recognize me, showing love, then got my grind right. Ain't never since day one the love been on side. And since you got my back, I got your back for life. Yeah, pretty honesty. Know just what it is, I got it on me. And you hold me down, you like my homie. Just know I got you down, just what it gon' be. Definition of bestie, definition of friendship, definition of rider, definition relentless. She's a strong woman, she's a sweet lady, she's a great mother. Let your pain get aching. Yeah, I made that girl on YouTube. She never dims my light or put me in her dark mood. And I thank you, you appreciate. You're my favorite girl on YouTube, and I can't fake it. You still got faith in me, make me feel like big. DJ Khaled voice, pretty hot. You still got faith in me, make me feel like big. DJ Khaled voice, pretty hot. Yeah. Met Lil Shawty on this show called BDP, you know what I'm talking about? Shit. We been cool ever since, my nigga, you know what I'm talking about? Put your eyes on me, yeah.